Now, the means of promoting national unity includes: 1. Establishment of institutions such as unity school. That is, various institutions like unity schools are established for the purpose of promoting unity in the country through accommodating children from any part of the country and giving them opportunity to learn. 2. National language. Despite about the 250 different ethnic groups in Nigeria with different dialects, efforts are being made to promote a national or an official language. For instance, English has been recognized as the official or national language of the country. 3. Employment and labor mobility. The federal government employs and transfers workers from different cultural groups to work elsewhere in the country. 4. Trading activities. The opening of markets in cities and local areas have made people to exchange goods and services together and therefore help to encourage integration. 5. The NYSC, the National Youth Service Corps. The National Youth Service Corps program is established by the federal government in 1973 to bring about unity among graduates from different institutions, to also educate fellows to come together from different states to serve their nation for a period of 1 year. 6. Transport and communication. Road networks, railway lines, telecommunications, bridge and airway are built and constructed by governments at various levels to link up rurals with urban areas and to also ease movement of people from one place to another, thereby promoting national integration.